Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down. After that, you need to click on System section. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, click on Text Correction. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. As you can see, Automatic Text Correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!